Hello, guys. So, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to insert threads in a hole. Suppose we have make holes on our workpiece. Now we have to insert threads. So, let's see how we will do it. So, first of all, we will open SolidWorks. I have SolidWorks 19. Okay, so we will go to new file tab, and here we will create a new file as we have to make a part, so we will choose part. If we want to assemble, then we will use assembly. If we want to draw something, then we will use drawing. Okay, if we want to draw 2D drawing, then we will use drawing. So now for now we are using part, and here we have the main window for creating part. First, we will choose a plane and draw a part. So I just choose front plane and I will draw here a simple part. Suppose I am drawing a block, rectangular block. Okay, so I just draw a rectangular block. Let's give it some dimensions like 100 mm by 50 mm. Okay, so this is a 2D drawing. Now we will extrude it to make it 3D. So give it a thickness of 10 mm. So this is a rectangular block. Now we will have to put holes. One way is to create hole is just draw a circle and extrude cut it. But we will also have an option hole wizard. So we will use it. So hole wizard, let's choose it. Now choose here hole type, which type of hole you want to make. Okay, this is counter bore, this is countersink, this is hole, normally hole, and this is straight tap, this is tapered tap, this is legacy hole, and this is counter bore slot, this is countersink slot, and this is slot. So okay, so these are the different types of holes. Suppose we are choosing here a simple hole. Okay, so here is a notification, or the current hole has had customized sizing applied. Would you like to do it? Okay, so what we have chosen a hole. Now again go to this. The first tab is to choose a type of hole. Okay, standard, on which standard we are want to uh, make the hole in this block. So let's choose ANSI metric. Type of holes, double, drill size, helical, and all these things. Okay, size, here we will have to decide the size. Suppose we want to make a hole with diameter of 10. Okay, and end condition, through all, blind, up to next surface. These are the end condition we will choose. Okay, now go to position, the position you want to place the hole. So you can place according to your choice, or where you want to place the hole. Suppose I placed it in the center, and at here, and one onto here, another one. Okay, let's place only 3 holes. Okay, so these has been converted into holes. If we want to edit those holes, suppose, okay, so we convert these, we have made these holes. Now we want to put the threads in these holes. So again we will use that feature, hole wizard feature. So here we will choose threads. Okay, here again we get a notification. It is saying that the Thread tools type and size profiles are nominal thread profiles only. Do not use them for production quality threads. These are just nominal types, quality and profiles of these threads is just nominal. So please do not use them for production quality. If you want to produce a part for production quality, then for production, then you will have to make. It is better if you made the threads manually. Okay, it is just for representation. So we will do it, confirm it. Okay, so again, what here we will have to choose the cylindrical profile like this. Okay, and degree, offset, all these are the things which we will choose. Here the end condition, blind, how much distance, up to what distance you want to make threads, you will choose it from this option. Specification, metric tape or metric die, inch tape, these are the specific type of threading. Okay, and here we will choose the what thread size. Okay, so it will automatically detect the thread size, but if you want to choose something else, then choose it from here. As our outer diameter is 10, so I am using here 10 into 1, means 10 is the outer dia and 1 is the distance between two consecutive threads, or it is also called pitch. Okay, so this is the way. Now we confirm it, so the threads has been made. Okay, so this is the way uh, in which we will make the threads automatically. Okay, so again we will choose, confirm it, and again select this uh, outer profile of this circle, and all the parameters are same, so we are putting it. Again we will again sorry, this is not the okay. So like that we will make the threads and holes without drawing the without without uh, using the extrude cut or extrude command. Okay, so I hope you get the point, and we will meet in the next step. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share and subscribe us.